You know, I've heard it a million times. Dave Ramsey is too extreme. He's too loud. He tells people to scream about their debt. But what if that screaming is the one thing that finally gets you out of debt for good? Full disclosure, I love Dave Ramsey, but I don't agree with him. I do think that there's a such thing as good debt, and with buying small multifamily properties, house hacking, and using leverage to let other people pay your mortgage for you without a whole lot of money out of pocket besides your down payment, I don't see nothing wrong with that. And I think a lot of people have become pretty wealthy using good debt. But that being said, in a world that normalizes debt, Dave Ramsey's gazelle intensity is a radical act. It's about living like no one else so that later you can live like no one else. One of my favorite quotes in finance. It's not just a budget, it's a behavior change. When you get angry at your debt and make it the enemy, you stop justifying the small purchases that keep you trapped. You start paying down those balances with a burning passion. And that's the kind of energy you need to keep your financial life changed forever. This isn't just about spreadsheets, it's about total financial makeover. And it starts with a fierce commitment to your future self. What's one debt you are going to attack with gazelle intensity this week? Tell me what it is and your plan to pay it off, and let's cheer you on in the comments. Another thing I also kind of disagree with is, I think he practices, I'm pretty sure he still practices the snowball effect, attacking your smallest balance. I think you should attack your highest debt first, because you're wasting money if you don't. But that's just my KP's 2 cents. Thank you for watching. Boom!